When we first got married 14 years ago, I finally knew why I never belonged anywhere. And it was simply because I belonged to you. With your hand in mine, I finally felt that I was home.
We knew we were going somewhere. Every chapter, every verse.
Noong unang panahon sa Ben Marie's first year high school tayo noon, flag ceremony. Nakita kita sa pila, ikaw yung pinakamaganda. Yun yung unang kitang nakita. Hindi ko alam, pero yung oras na yun tumingin yung mundo, parang Korean novela ang galawan. Ganong ka nakaagad ka special dahil sa mixing sa galit na yun, nabuo agad ng pangarap ko at makasama ka ako. Hindi naging madali ang paglapit sa'yo dahil naging popular ka na agad sa school. Bukod sa kahit kailan di tayo naging mag-classmate, mala F4 pa yung mga naniligaw sa'yo. Isa lang akong mahamak na estudyante na minsan nagbubulakbol sa klase, akyat backward para makapag-counter strike. Pero si Jong talaga yung pasimuno.
We were both 23 back then. We were literally young, dumb, and broke. We knew so little about life, and we didn't always make the right decisions. And boy, were we poor. Remember the time when you couldn't work yet and we had to survive on $20 for 2 weeks? I honestly don't know how we survived, but we probably ate a lot of instant noodles.
I know it will always be you and me.
Thank you for everything you have done for the 16 years we have been together. From leaving everything behind, your family and the place you call home, to be with me and start a new adventure. Thank you for always aiming higher to better our lives. And thank you for not being a traditional Filipino husband who makes the wife do everything.
Let us hear, and now we see.
Sa paningin ko, ikaw ay perpekto. Alam ko dahil sa ningning ng iyong mga mata, sa mga haplos mong puno ng pagmamahal, sa bawat pulgada ng iyong bewang, at syempre sa tamis ng iyong mga labi. Sabay tayo natuto at tumayo sa sarili nating mga paa. Pinamulat mo sa akin kung paano magmahal at mas mabuting version ng pagkatao. Walang ibang tahanan kundi sa puso.
You and me.
We've had a beautiful life together that produced 3 even more beautiful children, and I am beyond blessed that you are my partner through it all. 16 years ago, when we first started dating, I told you my life story na medyo pang MMK. You stayed silent for a good while, but to me it felt like an eternity. I was afraid all the baggage I carried had scared you away. I felt like you wanted to look the other way and run while you still had the chance. Pupunuan ko lahat ng pagkukulong sa'yo ng mundo. And you have, and you still do, and I know you will continue to, till death do us part. I love you, Papa Babe, with every fiber of my life.
Yeah, you and me. Oh, you and me. You and me. You and me.
shoulder, that means that you are the leader of the household. Do not be passive. When your wife asks for plans, when she asks for vision, be ready to give her vision. And I believe that God will empower you to be the person that you have to be the leader that you have to be. Amy, nasa ulo mo ang belo because you are the glory bearer of your husband. And that is a very hard role. You have to protect his name, his reputation, and you need to protect the household. Alam niyo po, ang one thing that I appreciate about wife, sila yung parang they put things together in the house. Ang mga lalaki kasi kapag basketball na, baseball na, football na pinapanood, wala nang napapansin eh. Pero ang wife, ang woman, iniisip nila what will happen next day and the next day. May susuotin ba ang bata? Meron bang kakainin? May baon ba? Natulog na ba? Late bang dumating? Okay? Now, kahit siya ang gumawa nun, one thing that I need to instruct you is this. Love your wife. If you love your wife can do the sacrifices that normally she won't do. Amy, respect your husband. For 14 years, nakita mo na ang kahinaan ni Val. Minsan sabi mo, mas may diskarte ako, but he is the leader of the household. Respect him. Now, minsan may tinanong ako, ano ba dapat mauna? Okay, and I will ask you, husband, love your wife, or wife, submit to your husband? Which should come first? Husband, love your wife. Yung mga lalaki sinasabi, respetuhin mo ko. Paano kita mamahalin if you don't respect me? At debatable yan eh. Itanong ako ulit sa inyo. Ang pagpapakasal daw ay pagpapasakal. True or false? True or false? Nako, hindi na maka-false yung iba. Ito yung sinasabi ko na power of agreement. Okay? Yung kasal, nakakasakal if you don't agree. Okay? Kung gusto mo kanan, gusto mo kaliwa, this vow that binds you together will actually strengthen you. So there should be agreement at all times. Okay? Di ba nila mag-away? Basta sa dulo, nagkasundo. Okay? Meron akong kakasal sana for 25 years. Sabi niya sa akin, alam mo, pastor, never kaming nag-away. Sabi ko, ay talaga ako, pastor. Parang pang-unang week pa lang namin, may tampuhan na. Paano nangyari? Sabi niya, simple, pastor. Hindi kami sabay kumain, hindi kami sabay manood ng TV, hindi kami sabay matulog. Magkaiba ng kwarto. Sabi ko, di bali na mag-away. Basta isang kwarto, isang hapagkainan. Okay? Do not be afraid to have conflict. Because that is God's way in order to bind you. Once again, in front of God and in front of these witnesses, once again, Val, do you take Amy to be your lawfully wedded wife, promising to love, to keep, and to cherish so long as you both shall live?
I do. I do.
Once again, sure ka na ba daw? Wala ka namang choice eh. Amy, once again, do you take Val to be your lawfully wedded husband, promising to love, to keep, and to cherish so long as you both shall live?
I do.
With this ring, once again, I, Val Garcia, take you, Ark Amy Sayas, to be my lawfully wedded wife with covenant that we will be one, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, in joy and pain, till death do us part. As you wear this ring, be always reminded that you are no longer your own but mine.
With this ring, once again, I, Ark Amy, take you, Val, to be my lawfully wedded husband, with a covenant that will be one, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, in joy and in pain, till death do us part. As you wear this ring, be always reminded that you are no longer your own, but mine.
Amy, take these coins as a symbol of God's goodness and faithfulness in our lives. Together, we shall dream. Together, we shall oath. Together we shall pray. Together, expect. And together, we shall experience God's manifold blessing in our lives.
Val, I accept these coins as a symbol of God's goodness and faithfulness in our lives. Together, we shall dream. Together, we shall hope. Together, we shall pray. Together, we shall expect. And together, we shall experience God's manifold blessings in our lives.
Mr. and Mrs. Val Garcia. Once again, would you please welcome Mr. and Mrs. Val and Amy Garcia.
So who would have known, actually sobrang ganda ng preaching ng pastor niya kanina. Lahat ng sinabi niya kanina entails talaga yung love story niyo parehas. So you're the proof that love is patient. Talaga. And you both are the proof na love conquers all. Alam naman natin yung love story. Hindi ko na ulitin yun sa 14 pages na ginawang vow. Joke lang. Sa haba ng vow ni Val. Pero natutuwa kami that ito na yon, ito na talaga yon, yung matagal yung pinlano. Even yung engagement, ako din yung kinulit ng dalawa na pagplanuhin kung ano man yung dapat mangyari. isang kababata, you know what to do. You've handled a lot of things already. Kasi ito nga yung sinasabi ko at dun sa mga ikakasal pa, no? Parang ako din yun. Sabi kasi nila, bakit ko sinabi yung topak kanina? Kasi ang akala kasi talaga ni Amy, walang makakatagal sa topak niya. Kasi topakin talaga si Amy. Alam mo yon, Val, di ba? So, the fact that you can accept everything 10 times more ng topak ni Amy. Good job on that. So, palakpakan naman natin yung mag-asawa. Ayan.
Grade 4 was a long time ago, so it's hard to remember specifics. But one thing I remember clearly, though, was when she was trying to buy a slice of pizza at the canteen, but they gave her a box instead. So she ended up sharing that pizza to everyone, and it was like the talk of the town, and she was immediately super famous to the town of little kids. Mars, I've watched you grow into an amazing person you are today, an incredible wife, a beautiful soul, and a most wonderful mom to your 3 kids. Walang baldo kung walang ame, pero wala ring ame kung walang baldo. They're a team. Seeing the two of you together fills my heart with joy. You two are the perfect match. Full of love, laughter, and all the little quirks that make life exciting.
Si Bale, tropa ko yan simula high school. Napakaligalig niya. Sobrang ligalig niyan. Mahilig magdala ng gagamba yan. Tapos maglalaban kami dun sa may classroom, dun sa may likod. Tapos pag natatalo yan, kukunin niya yung gagamba, tapos ipabato sa pader. Talo eh. Kaya yun, pikon, talo. Tapos yung may naman, classmate ko yan simula ng grade 5 hanggang grade 6. Tapos first year, hindi pala. Third year hanggang fourth year. Una, ayoko lumapit, din Inglesera eh. I don't speak English eh. Ang hirap kausapin, tapos mataray pa. Kaya yun. Pero nung gangster kasi yan eh. Nag-drawing ako ng mga gangster na naging tropa kami bigla. Tropang bo bigla. Kaya ngayon, hanggang ngayon, tropa pa rin kami. Kaya isang tagay para sa tagumpay, kaibigan.
About Amy and Val, I was really happy because I knew that the Diwatang Senglot is finally home. Nasa baon mo yun, di ba? And my left ear was happy too because we don't need to talk for 6 fucking hours because of some heartbreak bullshit. Kidding aside to Val, we know that you love Amy very much. Please continue loving her even if it's tough, difficult, challenging, severe, crucial, problematic, troublesome, complex, confusing, ultra hard, ultra difficult, whatever you want to call it. But I'll promise you, she's all worth it. One piece of advice to Val, Amy is always right. Just accept it. Happy wife, happy life. Wishing the both of you all the best in life. Continue loving each other. Continue taking good care of each other. Continue having each other's back. And when it gets rough and dark, just look at the beautiful family that you built. And for sure, you'll find your way to each other's arm again. Congratulations and I love you both. Cheers.
14 years ago, sinabi ko kay Van, okay, you will give my daughter a beautiful wedding. And this is it. After 14 years, makapaghintay naman ako ba? Thank you very much. And this is my dream come true para sa anak ko. At para sa akin, maraming salamat. Message ko sa anak ko. Okay. Thank you, na. You know that this is my dream. A dream, well, it came true, but not as grand as this one. Thank you and congratulations. You did it. You're so good. You and Bob. Love you.
But really, truly, Ate, I don't remember much of me being a child. The earliest memories I have of her is meeting her for the first time in the Philippines. I was about 6 and she was 13. But in actuality, when she was 13, she was 19. And when she was 19, she was 25. Ate, one of the best gifts you've given to me in my life is you've loved and cared for me and showed to me what it was to be a parent. And I don't think anyone asked you to be the second parent, but you did and you stepped up. And I want to say this to you with blood pumping through my heart, air in my lungs, and even if both those things stop, these words will ring true over and over again. No man, no father, no husband could have raised me better than you. I love you.
To come up here to thank you with all of my heart for joining us in this special occasion. And thank you for making these guys' nights as unforgettable as possible.
Po natutuwa dahil natupad na yung pangarap niya sa kanyang minamahal. Sana magpahalan kayo. Good luck. God bless.
Kasi daw may pangarap sa buhay. Nung makatapos siya ng high school, hanggang sa college, natupad naman niya. So, hindi niya naman ako pinagbigyan. Okay lang. Basta wish ko lang sa akin. Sana ganun din kayo. Maging patibay ang inyong pagsasama. Sana may away man. Doon nyo na sa kwarto mo na kayo pag-usap na maging solve kayong dalawa. Mag-usap kayo ng maayos. Kayong dalawa rin na makakalutas sa problema. Anak, good luck. Happy. Yes. Thank you.
Abala sa inyong lahat ito. Pero nandito po kayong lahat. Yung mga umuwi po galing overseas. Grabe ang effort nyo. Maraming salamat po. Medyo stand pa ako dun sa SDE na yun. Napaka-husay talaga. Talruin. Grabe. Tsaka team nila Kamsi. Grabe, napakalaki ng sakit ng ulong binigay namin sa inyo, pero hindi ko alam kung paano yung nagawa ito. Pero meron mga aberya, pero nagawa niya pa rin, grabe. Hindi namin masabi kung anong.
Okay, thank you po sa lahat ng pumunta. Like na-mention niya na nga, yung mga super far away and kahit yung mga malalapit lang dito, sobrang thank you dahil nag-spend kayo ng time. You know, this was a whole day event. Especially dun sa mga abay namin. Sobrang thank you sa aming mga abay, ang aming mga sponsors na maaga pa lang nandito na. So, thank you so much for sticking around. And I just want to reiterate yung pagte-thank you dun sa mga team. thank you to Events by C by Miss Camsi, Events and Moments by C by Miss Camsi. You know, you can imagine how hard it is to plan a wedding na overseas ka, but she did an amazing job. Like, wala na talaga kaming masabi. Like, her and her team. And then we would like to thank, of course, our photography team, Tal Ruin. Sobrang dami naming like hinanap na mga ano, pero kayo lang talaga yung nag-swak dun sa hinahanap namin, and we didn't make a mistake. We chose the right people, right? And then thank you, of course, sa aming host na si Mr.
Oh my God, Carly.
Who came all
Haven.
the way from Doha, Qatar,
Haven
just
po.
to host our wedding because malakas sa kanya si Mr. Val Garcia Batusay. And I think, of course, I want to thank the venue as well for getting everything together. It all came out really good. So thank you, everyone, all our vendors, and thank you so much to all our visitors and our guests.
Thank you.
Sana sa susunod naming kasal, makapunta ulit kayo.
Kailan ba yun?
Sa mga 50th anniversary. Kaya i-save nyo na yung date.
Mukhang marami akong overtime nito.
Thank you!
Thank you
Good
po. Maraming
night!
salamat.
Thank
po.
you
Maraming
so
salamat.
much.